Hey guys, welcome back to Luminally Armory. Today we're going to be checking out the CVLIFE Optics Combo Kit. Alright, so the combo kit's going to come shipped in this black box. So it is a red dot and a 3x magnifier. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. So we do have some foam up on top. We're greeted with the eagle feather red green dot and magnifier combo user's manual. So you're going to have all your catalog specifications, the red dot magnifier specification, all the product structure, everything that's in the packaging, how to install the battery, your product installation, very good visuals here. So these are different illumination settings. It does have shake awake, and all the different, so you can switch from red and green, which I'll be showcasing here soon. All your different reticles, and also how to adjust the windage and elevation. Same thing for the magnification, your maintenance and care, your troubleshooting. Here's your warranty, which is really good, about your batteries. Lots of good info right in here. So here are the CR2032 batteries. You get 2 of them. These are tools, our lens cloths. Definitely need those. And here's some more tools. And we have the red dot. Has a little cover here. So there's that. And here is the magnifier. So this is a 3x magnification, and it is flipped aside. And also comes with a cover. Alright guys, let's take a closer look at the red green dot sight and the 3x magnifier here. Let's take a look at the red green dot sight first. So I wanted to point out that there are different reticle options that you can switch on the fly. So you do have just the dot, then you have the bullseye here, and then you have the crosshair, and then the circle dot. So you can switch those on the fly however you wish. It already comes pre-mounted on a Picatinny rail adapter here. You have your windage and elevation that you can use to adjust with the provided tool. So just stick that in, move that. You do hear some clicks. Same thing here. You hear that click. And then here are going to be the illumination and color adjustments. So you do have 1 through 5 on the red, and then you also get the same for the green. And then here's going to be more like a reflex style sight glass. So it's open up here. So you can see that the glass is clear here. See that? Looks really nice. So it is rated for 1200G shockproof. You can tell when you hold it and feel it. I mean, it feels like it could definitely withstand some recoil. Definitely good quality materials here. Now let's go ahead and look at the 3x magnifier. So here you're going to have your focus adjustment. So more of your like eye relief. Then you have your windage and elevation turrets. So I always recommend to, obviously when you install your optic and your magnifier, sight in your optic first, and then once you have it sighted in, then you can start doing the adjustments for the magnifier. It just centers it around the red dot or green dot. And you're going to have some audible clicks, which you can use this tool here. Just like that. Very easy to do, and it is flipped to side, so there's not a button or anything like that. So it just has good retention, so you can see I'm shaking it. It's not going anywhere. So you just flip that to the side. So when you're using your red dot, and then when you need that magnification, just switch that over, and you'll have that lined up. And then it also has the Picatinny rail adapter already pre-installed. An overall really good, hefty feeling magnifier. I'm going to install the battery here. So I'm just going to use the provided tool to unscrew this. It's nice that they gave you a spare. Place that in there. This is where the tool comes in handy. Okay. Yeah, it's tight. All right, let's go ahead and look at the reticles. So here I have it on green. It's off right now. Then once I turn it to 1 and I have it on the circle dot right there, I can go ahead and switch that on the fly. All the way to the dot. Let's go ahead and increase the brightness to 5. So there's 5. It's a lot brighter. You can switch it to the R for red, and it turns it off. And here we can increase the brightness. There it is. And then shut it off one more time. Alright guys, so that was the CVLIFE Optics Combo Kit. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave those down below, and we'll see you guys on the next one.